Hey guys, so hold on. Okay, so first of all, I hope you guys had a great New Year's. It feels weird to say that it's 2022, but that's fine. To start this video off, I'm going to, I can't say this really loud because my sisters will hear. I'm going to be doing like a massage / facial thing for my sisters. I have them, they're in the other room watching TV, so they have no idea. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a facial massage for my sisters, featuring my two very favorite products that I just got, a Jade Roller and a Gua Sha. I've been wanting these forever, and I finally got them. Not sponsored, by the way. I have it in my mini fridge, so it's cold, and it's gonna be really fun to use. So this will be shown a lot in today's video. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I got it off of Amazon. I'll leave the link below for where I got it. It was kind of cheap, but for being so cheap, it's actually pretty good quality, so I'm kind of surprised. I thought it was gonna be like low quality and end up messing up right after because of how cheap it was. It was like $6-7, but surprisingly it's pretty nice. So yeah, I got it off of Amazon. I'll leave the link down below in the description if you guys want to go check it out. Anyways, I need to set this facial thing up, and yeah, so I'm gonna go to our bathroom. Okay, they're watching TV. Right in here. This is Mia's room. Okay, I don't really do nice things for my sisters that much. I mean, I'm really nice to them, but I don't like do these things. So, I got this towel. And I'm just literally gonna lay it on my bed. So I am heading downstairs. My sister has this. What's my mom? Mom, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
You have that blasting in your ear.
What?
No, I just can hear that song saying. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm stealing Elena's pedicure thing because I'm gonna do a massage for the girls.
Okay. And?
Yeah. Sister's room is actually clean for once. She has this Orby pedicure thing. There's so much hair in this, and it's really disgusting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it out. Kind of do her a favor, I guess. Okay, so I got permission from Elena to clean this out. Okay, throw that away because that is disgusting. She's kind of in on it. Yeah. So I have permission to throw that away because that is disgusting. I'm sorry, but it's gross.
No, you're not alone.
Okay, so I cleaned it out, which is a really good thing. Look at it now. It's very nice. Yes, yes.
So then, why?
Also, shout out to my amazing neighbors that got us this for Christmas. So, I believe, I'm pretty sure that Laura got us these. Thank you so much. We love them. We have obviously used this brush, and my sisters love the glitter. And I think Rachel and Christine got this for us. So it's a whole lot of nail polish. It was a coincidence that they both got nail polish for us. But now I have way more nail polish than I did before. So I may be using these. So for me, I can't like do anything without the mood being set. And the mood for this is supposed to be calm. So let's light all my candles and light an incense stick.
So then, why?
All the candles lit. Yee! Let's go get them. Welcome to GIGI'ᔕ Spa.
Oh my god!
Can you guys guess what we're doing here today?
You're doing
night.
a spa night. This is so nice.
I will be providing you guys with free facial massages and pedicures. Woo! You just dip your feet in there, and then while you're at it, pick a color.
For my nails? Wait, don't you
For
have to
your
press the
feet.
button, Mia?
You ready for a facial massage?
Yes, yeah, let's go. She's back her cure. Yes. I always wanted to use this stuff.
I'm sorry if I'm like quiet. I'm not trying to wake anybody up. It is actually like 2 in the morning right now. So today was kind of stressful for me. I lost my glasses. My glasses broke. So you know this kid? My glasses were like loose on me. I had to go get them fixed anyway. They fell off my face while we were playing football, and he was guarding me. So he was in front of me. So when they fell off, he ran on top of them. This is them right now. These. We're going to get them fixed right now, though. Yesterday I broke the microwave. I had really bad cramps. Something else happened. Oh yeah, I spent like 30 minutes, almost an hour, making a reel on my Instagram. And oh my god, I pressed share and it just disappeared. It didn't even post. It didn't go to my drafts. It's just gone. And now I'm like really mad about it. But it's fine. Not really, but... And I liked it too. It was so good. It was like one of those edit things. Anyways, meaning, so after all this stuff that has happened to me, I need a self-care day. Like, I could really use one. So, yeah. I'm gonna go shower. Yeah, it's 2 o'clock, but I'm not gonna go to bed without showering. And after everything, I feel kind of disgusting. So I could use a shower. My hair also needs to be washed. So, I'm gonna go shower and I'm gonna wash my hair. I just got out of the shower. I shaved my legs. I washed my hair, and I need to brush it. So I got a pair of comfortable PJs. I got this sweatshirt and this pair of pants that you guys have seen before. My hair feels so good. The only problem is I don't have a hairbrush. So now I have to go downstairs and go in my parents' room. And it's like 3:20. Oh my god. Also, just to warn you guys in advance, my voice will be getting lower and lower throughout this video because I do not want to wake anybody up. And like I said, it's like 3:20 in the morning. I'm gonna end up going to bed at 5. My sleep schedule is so bad. You know what? That's my New Year's resolution. To fix my sleep schedule. So, yeah. Okay, so basically what I'm doing right now is I'm just watching YouTube. I'm actually watching Adela. Leave her YouTube channel in the description if you guys want to go check it out. Once I'm done brushing my hair, I'm going to do a face mask, and then I'm going to try some jade rolling.
Because I'm not hungry at all. I feel like I was just eating so much today, and I feel I got a bunch of coffee drinking stuff. I have decided that I need to start drinking coffee again because my life is super chaotic right now. I literally never have energy. I'm sleep deprived, 20 cold brew, and this was very highly recommended on TikTok, so I decided to try it out. It's the last thing that I got, cleaning the entire inside, and I am so proud of myself. So far, I finished like 2 tasks.
Okay, so I turned on these lights that I had because it was like really dark in here, and they just give me more light. So basically, I just finished doing my hair. I put them into these braids, and then I left some hair out because I just think it makes it that much cuter. I'm going to be doing a face mask. This. I have been wanting to do this face mask forever because I just love it so much, but the packaging is too cute for me to actually use it. Let's put it on.
Material girl. I want Chanel 9 boots. Saw these niggas steady jocking cause they know I'm the truth. Material girl. And
Okay, so this is how it looks. I literally look like that one dude. Like, the eyes look like that one killer from Scream, if you know what I mean. I'm sorry. I look really bad with this on. I found it. I'm gonna do the jade roller on my face while this is on. So.
From above, every day would seem turning into love song.
It is like 4 o'clock right now. It's like almost 5 a.m. I think. It's 4:22. Oh my god. So, I'm tired and I want to go to sleep. So, I'm going to read a book for a little bit and journal, because I haven't journaled in a while, which is actually not that good of a thing. So, yeah. So I'm gonna do that and then head to bed because I am literally so tired. I brought my dog in here. She's stuffed in that pillow. She stuffed herself in there and put her there, as you can see. So I'm going to do that. So I will be heading to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next. And maybe even consider subscribing. I hope you guys had a great day. Virtual hugs and kisses. And bye!